So we have this cabin light and our sun visors only on the right side. We have a mirror, and as we cruise you will see the interior slowly but surely. Thank you for watching this POV of this top of the line Kia Stonic EX 1.4 liter engine. So from one, this Tiptronic. So we are in 60 and it's holding at second gear. That's nice. I hope I'm getting everything. So I'll go down a bit. Let's go down a bit. And the seats are actually 4-way manually adjustable. Oh no, 6-way manually adjustable. So let's go. 1. So shift it to second gear at 40, 60, 80. Then we're going to the right. This is actually a very nice car to be in, like for city driving especially. And this car obviously has Android Auto. Let's call it AA from now on. There you go. So this car also has what? DRLs, fog lamps, projector lamps. It may be, let's say, doesn't have quite the number of features that you would find in your Chinese cars. This car is quite simple, but when you see the outside, it is truly stylish. And this car is actually for millennials. When people see your car, like your friends see your car, they would like, you would not have to be shy about your car, because number one, it's a Korean car, and number two, the level of confidence is a lot higher than when you tell your friends that you own a Chinese car. It's good that I came out early. As you can see, the imperfections of this McKinley road, not bad. This car can handle it. And as I have tested this also in, ooh, they're fixing the road. Nice. There. There you go. This car has speed. It has the nice simple cabin amenities. This car is actually, it has the things that we need as drivers, like the steering wheel controls, then the digital air condition system, which is almost a manual, because you know you have this large dials, which is so easy to actually use. Here we go. So I'm driving on just the drive mode. Now I just let you enjoy the drive. My wife didn't bring it. No way. She brought it pa. Oh yeah, this car is actually quite tiny, so parking is really easy. Later I'll be showing you the parking, the camera, and you'll know that the guidelines, the active guidelines are actually very helpful, and it's like sakto with the car, because there are cars that have guidelines but then you really cannot guess the exact size of the car. You'll know. Like sometimes when you see the camera, you wouldn't be able to trust it. But this one you can. So it's going to be a very short ride. Driving POV. Me going to PASAY. Oh, I should do that now. Here we go. I'm not sure of the angle. I am hoping that the angle is perfect. I'm trying to like manually adjust it with my head. Oh no! What the heck? And also the digital speedometer is nice. Potholes. Guys, this video is not for you to judge my driving skill. Alright, this is an urban jungle. If you've been driving here in Manila, you'll know it is really the urban jungle. Feels almost rural. The braking is really nice. Well, in this car's cabin, don't expect to see leather. This car is mostly composed of plastic and urethane. I like this hazard button, and look at this. It's like the design is actually very simple and cute, but when you go outside, it's not just cute, it's handsome. See this large automatic digital single zone air conditioning. Let's go, everyone. Let's go. And I also like that this car has the 3-click turn signal. Like, see, let's click it once. See that? I like that. Also shift from fuel mileage, trip meter, drive info, digital speedometer. It's cool. Yep. The urban jungle, and he's gonna bump me. He doesn't care about me. Wow, it's so big. How does it fit in there? Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you guys are enjoying this. go. Second gear, we're in first gear. 3, 2, 1, go. So that's just a bit of acceleration right there. There we go. The steering is on the light medium side. There you go. It's gonna be very nice for ladies actually. This car has nice colors. Its iconic or signature color is the yellow. I call it mango yellow or ripe mango. Here we go. When you turn, body roll minimal. Here the speed limit is 60, so we better go 60. So thank you for everyone. Thank you for watching everyone. This was a POV of this Kia 2021 Kia Stonic 1.4 liter EX. This is the top of the line 2021 Kia Stonic. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. May your dreams come true, guys.